If you love cool items, you need to check out here why everyone talking about. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this here why everyone talking about changes everything. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works exactly as advertised, I was completely sold. It is worth every single penny because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it handles heavy usage without any issues. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade before it sells out everywhere. If you love cool items, you need to check out here why everyone talking about. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this here why everyone talking about changes everything. I was NGL a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it works